Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to blink an LED using a Raspberry Pi. So you can see the Raspberry Pi LED blinking. So let's learn how to achieve it. So setting up the Raspberry Pi. First, we need to connect the LED to the breadboard. Then, the long lead of the LED should be connected to the resistor, and the short lead of the LED should be connected to the ground pin of the Raspberry Pi through the blue jumper wire, and the end of the resistor should be connected to the GPIO pin, that is a output pin. So I am taking the GPIO 4 pin here. So through red jumper wire I had connected it. So that's it. So here you can see the link to the YouTube video where I had explained the entire process, how I set up the Raspberry Pi. I'll include the link in the description too. So let's come to the code. First I am importing the GPIO module. This GPIO module is used to control all the GPIO pins. Then I am importing time module. Then I am setting the mode of GPIO to BCM. So BCM will be calculating the GPIO pin numbers in the form using GPIO pin numberings like GPIO 4, GPIO 1, GPIO 2, like that. Then I am setting the GPIO warnings to false. Here comes the important part. I am setting the GPIO port 4, that is the GPIO pin 4 which I had connected my red jumper wire. My LED is connected to that. So that pin I am setting it as output port, and I am setting it to initially low, which means the LED will be turned off. I am creating a while loop because I want the LED to blink infinitely. Then I am turning on my LED using this command GPIO.output of 4, 1. 1 is nothing but high. GPIO high. You can also use GPIO.high, but here I had used 1. So this command will be turning my LED on. Then time.sleep of 1. As you know, in Python, sleep function is used to make a command wait for a certain period until the next command is executed. So basically it suspends the other thread until the required time. So here I want my LED to be turned on for 1 second before the next command to be executed. So next I am turning off my LED using GPIO.output of 4, 0. So 0 is nothing but GPIO.low. Then again I want my LED to wait for 1 second before executing the next command. So I am using time.sleep of 1. Then finally I am cleaning up all my ports using GPIO.cleanup.